How to make a Paracord Bracelet Cobra jawbone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. Before we start today's awesome Paracord project, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. So check the information cards in the top right corner or the description box of this video. There you can find many other useful tutorials. The awesome design for today's bracelet is done by Paracord21. I hope I get it right. You will have the link to his Instagram profile in the description down below as well. For today's project we're gonna use this green Paracord 550 and this gold one. The green is around 6 feet or 1.8 meters and the gold one as well 6 feet or 1.8 meters. So I'm gonna zoom a bit that you can clearly see and we're gonna start. We're gonna take the green paracord and we're gonna enter it from the top into the gap between the green and the gold paracord, like so, and from here we're gonna take the gold and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap as well as we did with the green one. And now from the back side we're gonna pull it through the loop on this right side or through the loop of this green paracord. So from the back through the loop and cinch it. Now we're gonna create the basic cobra knot. So we're gonna take the green, make it on top of the 4-strand core, and from the right side with the gold we're gonna pass it around and then again from the back through the loop on the left side. So basic cobra knot. So now again the green from the top into the gap between gold and the green in the middle, like so, and to the side. With the gold one from the top into the gap as well in the middle, and then from the back through the loop on the right side or the green loop as you wish. And tighten it, cinch it, secure it. So now the basic cobra knot on top, the green on top of those 4-strand core, to the side, gold one on top of the green, around and from the back through the loop on the left side or through the loop of the green paracord, and pull it, secure it, and proceed. So from here we're gonna insert our gold paracord in the gap between first and the second cord strand of this green paracord. So between those two cords, find the center. Detach it from the jig so it will release the tension and pull it through. And we're gonna do the same with the green. So from the top into the gap between two gold strands, first and the second cord strand from the left side, so in the middle between them. So here we are, our beautiful paracord bracelet is done. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best. Take care and see you soon. See ya. Bye.